Hi everyone, my name is Shae Ross and I am a transpersonal therapist and I welcome you to my new YouTube channel. A couple of things here. First of all, my intention for this channel is to create a place for communication, connection, community, to talk about things involving psychology, consciousness, the evolutionary process that humanity is experiencing right now, and all the different tributaries and tangents that are involved with that process. So that's what my intention is for this channel, and as a place that we can all come together, comment, talk, offer support, offer information, because I think that's a big part of what's needed right now, are people being able to find resources, to know they're not alone, to know they're maybe not going crazy, and just to have some kind of fellowship in terms of understanding, support, and, like I said, community. So that's the general overview of this channel and what my intentions are for it. To begin with, I've put a few videos, which you've probably already seen up. And these are videos, these were interviews I did for a telesummit last year for a summit called Your Phoenix Rising. And my intention for this summit was to particularly address, the phoenix, as you know, it's a mythological bird and myth where it's about death and rebirth, these cycles. And as I see this is happening more and more obvious and more, more obvious, more intense, more accelerated ways with people, I wanted to address these issues, or this issue, and again, provide a place for connection, community, and communication. I interviewed 21 speakers in the field of human consciousness, and they each have a little different take on where they're coming from. And so I hope it provides you with some good information that you can relate and derive some benefit from the information in these videos. So I'll be posting the videos. I think I've got like 4 up right now, but I've got more to come. So I'll be regularly posting new ones. So that's what I've got right now, and of course new material coming along the way. So just wanted to say hello, and please, if you've got any suggestions, any particular concerns, things you're interested in, things you need help with, please make comments. You can also reach out to me. My website is thephoenixprocess.com. So it's all one word, lowercase, thephoenixprocess.com. And from there, you can find out a little bit more about me, what I do, my email, things like that. So I guess that's it for now. Just wanted to say hello and introduce myself a little bit. Please feel free to reach out. Of course, like and subscribe if you do like the material and want to see more of it. That would be great. So that's it. I hope everyone's doing well out there, and I look forward to connecting with you in a more personal way and just hearing from you. All right, everybody. That's it for now. More videos to come. All right, bye.